Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the world of electric vehicles and explore the latest trends, technologies, and innovations in the industry. When it comes to EVs, many people think they're maintenance-free because they don't need oil changes like traditional cars do. However, that's not entirely accurate. While EVs have fewer moving parts than combustion engines, their maintenance costs can add up over time. According to CarEdge, both EVs and combustion engines require similar types of maintenance, such as tire monitoring and replacement, battery replacement, HVAC maintenance, brake maintenance, and cabin air filter replacement. However, there are some key differences. For example, EVs don't need oil changes, timing belts, radiator fluids, or fuel filters. Regenerative braking also plays a role in reducing brake wear on EVs. This means that the electric motor acts as a regenerative braking system, capturing kinetic energy and converting it into electrical energy. As a result, EV brakes wear more slowly than those in traditional cars. However, tires do wear out more quickly on EVs, and battery or motor work will need to be done at an automaker's service center. Tesla notes that aggressive driving can put more strain on these components, which may lead to faster tire wear and shorter battery lifespan. But how do maintenance costs compare across different brands and models? According to Consumer Reports and CarEdge, Tesla has the lowest estimated 10-year maintenance cost for any major car brand, with an average of $5,050. The Tesla Model 3 takes the top spot, followed closely by the Toyota Mirai, which comes in at just under $3,200. Other brands like Nissan Leaf, Hyundai Ioniq IQ6, and Kia EV6 have similar maintenance costs, ranging from around $3,500 to over $5,000. However, it's worth noting that these estimates can vary depending on factors like driving habits, climate, and location. As we continue to explore the world of electric vehicles, one thing is clear. While they may offer some advantages in terms of reduced maintenance costs, there are still many variables at play. At ElectroDrive News, we're committed to bringing you the latest insights and expert analysis on all things EVs. Join us next time for more news and updates from the world of electric driving. Stay charged, and we'll catch you on the road.